In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to turn on GitHub Pages for a repository. This feature allows you to host static websites directly from your GitHub repository, making it useful for project documentation, portfolios, or simple web applications. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look over to the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to enable GitHub Pages. Once you've opened your repository, look at the top toolbar and click on Settings. In the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you find Pages. Click on it to open the GitHub Pages settings. Now, you'll see the GitHub Pages configuration options. Look for the section labeled Branch. This is where you choose which branch GitHub should use to publish your website. Click on the Branch drop-down menu and select Main. Next, click Save to confirm your selection. GitHub will now begin building and deploying your website. The deployment may take a few moments to complete. You can refresh the page periodically until you see your site's URL appear in the GitHub Pages section. Once the URL appears, click on it to open your newly published website. And that's it. You've successfully turned on GitHub Pages for your repository and published your content online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.